All I need is just a minute, I'ma tell you how I'm feeling, yeah. Swear that I could sit there with you all night. I could see it catching feelings from the mirrors on the ceiling, and I'm liking what I'm seeing.
What's up, guys? We're down here in the valley with the M5s, the Dinan E60 and the E39 with 250,000 miles on her. This M5 right here has got 70,000 miles. It's a Dinan S1 car, Dinan badge on the back. You got the E39 with the 253 now. Got the seats dyed. They look a lot better than they did. But the main reason we're here is for the V10 M5 Dinan. I'm gonna go over what it means to be a Dinan M5, what's all done to this car that is Dinan. In order to get the Dinan badge, you have to at least have 10 points. So the exhaust counts for 3 points. It has intakes, those count for 3 points. The car's tuned, that's probably 3 points as well. I'm not really sure on the point system, but you get the idea. Dinan foot pedals. It's got Dinan intakes. It's a real Dinan car. Pop the hood and show you the Dinan badge under the hood. How you can tell whenever it's a real Dinan car, it'll have a serial number. See Dinan S1 serial number, high flow, cold air intake, which is those right there. It's got the Dinan strut bars, extra support, carbon fiber extra support. The car's Silverstone with black interior and cooled seats. It's got the rear sunshades, the rear shade, rear heated seats, Alcantara headliner and leather dash. Here's the E39.
My vlog is going up soon on it though.
So yeah, look out on his channel. I'll link his channel.
Hey, I was gonna link yours too.
I'll link his channel so you can see his video on the M5 and what he did with it. It's also got, you know, the Dinan exhaust tips. Real Dinan car, baby. Oh yeah.
How much to buy it though? 20 grand.
20 grand on the Dinan S1 M5.
72,000 miles.
It's a pretty good deal for a Dinan S5 or S1. I say S5. SMG accumulator, SMG motor was replaced. What else was replaced on her? Everything that breaks. Damn, can't ask for more than that.
About to get all new brakes this week.
All new brake pads. Sounds good, runs good. Can't say that about most of them. It's got the common passenger seat mat sensor is going out. That's a warranty item at BMW.
It comes with a free pair of glasses if you buy it too.
Dang, Prada glasses.
They came with the car, they're gonna go with the car.
They come and go with the car.
Yep.
According to him. You wanna go for a ride? I want it, but I can't have it.
You can have it, because we're making smart decisions. Why the only one time I get an M5 for sale, then you want to decide to make a smart decision?
I know.
Okay, you've never made a smart decision about buying an M5 in your life.
It's a shame, isn't it?
You know what, from now on, I'm about to just buy every single M5 at the auction. This
is literally the nicest M5 you've ever had, too.
Yep.
Turn that S mode up, dude. What are you doing? Herbal.
Yeah, it needs an arcade too.
Haha, you wish. Driving like this, you know? Don't worry, guys. The first time I let his brother drive my car, he drifted it.
It's okay. Hey, technically you did tell him it's okay.
I did tell him it was okay. You're right. You're right.
We're not pussies, okay? We drive the car out.
That's right. It's an M5. It ain't no Nissan Sentra.
They did put a V10 in here to put.
It ain't no Porsche. Yeah. I'm back at home in the M5. So nice for what it is, especially like 20 grand, dude. Dope. Hey guys, it's a day later. I'm just editing the video. Just had a few thoughts I want to share with you guys. For one, I think the tune did make a difference in the car. You could really feel it, you know, higher up in the RPM range. And you also heard a little burble with the tune that you don't really hear on the stock cars. The car is lowered on Dinan springs, so I wasn't expecting it to ride so nice. If I had 20 grand and didn't have the M6 and E39 M5 right now, I would for sure buy this car. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.